Warm welcome to my dear students. I hope you all are doing well at your home. Today we are going to discuss about the holiday homework. First we will go through the instructions. The given task is divided on the basis of alphabetical order. Student whose name starts from A to M have to attempt the question number 1. For example, the name of the student starts from A. So he or she is supposed to attempt the question number 1. Student whose name starts from N to Z have to attempt the question number 2. For example, the name of the student starts from N, so he or she is supposed to start the question number 2. I request you to follow the division policy. Now have a look on question number 1. Prepare a prospectus on Paris. What is a prospectus? Prospectus is an informative book, okay, that is prepared by someone to give a specific information about something. So in that case you are supposed to prepare a prospectus on Paris. So what you all want to need it in the same, you want to add the information regarding to Paris. You can add the type of monuments over there, okay, the how the people live over there, what type of lifestyle they follow, food, cuisine, type of dances, dressing style, etc. You can easily get the information about Paris with the help of the Google through Wikipedia. Question number 2. Prepare an attractive food pyramid on French food. As you already learned in class 6, what is supposed to consume in breakfast, lunch or during snack time, at dinner. With the help of the given data, you can prepare this food pyramid. I request you to make this food pyramid in 3D manner. Try to show your creativity by using waste material. There is a short note for you. I request you to use the waste material. It will be highly appreciated if you will convert the waste material into informative or creative things. In case enough stationery material is not with you, if you are not having enough stationery material, so no need to panic. In that case, you can create the soft copy in MS Word or either in MS PowerPoint. Yeah. It can be easily created. Later on, the printouts of the same you can take. For example, I will show you the sample of this work. How can you create? In this manner, you can create your food pyramid. Yeah. There in this column, you can mention about the breakfast. In this, you are going to mention about the lunch. In this, you will represent the snack time, then dinner time. You can add pictures as per your needs or choice. You can add the borders, you can give shadow, whatever you want to do. In the same manner, you can create your prospectus also like this. This is the introductory main page of your prospectus. Theme is Paris. You can decorate the page as per your need, as per your interest. All you need to mention your name and class on the given page. Then the page number 1. This is the information regarding to the Paris. I have taken this information through Wikipedia. You can easily take the information from the Wikipedia. Yeah. In this manner, you can create as much as of pages in your prospectus. Later on, you can take the printout of the same. You can take the help of the translator also for certain words if you don't know the meaning. Clear? So it can be easily maintained in your doc file. You can easily maintain the same in the PowerPoint also. Wherever you find easy, you can make it. Question number 3. Revise all the given notes thoroughly. I request you to revise all the worksheet that I have shared with you till now. Question number 4. Solve the given revision sheet in your French notebook. Here is the revision sheet. This revision sheet is a mixed bag of all the worksheet which I shared with you till now. Question number 1. Complete the gaps with the present tense form of avoir and être. In this question, all you need to conjugate avoir and être with respect to the subject. Arrange the following sentences into negative term. As I already taught you, to make a negative form, you need two negative terms, ne and pas. Ne and pas is placed before and after the verb. all you need to identify the verb. For example, in this is the verb. You need to place na and pa before and after. Question number 3. Write 10 vocabulary from the given topic. You are supposed to write 10 vocabulary from the given topic. La chambre, which mean room. La maison, which mean house. Question number 4. Explain yourself using adjective in 10 phrases. For example, I have shared you the list of adjective. That was in that list 100 adjective were there. You can take the help of that list. For example, je suis content, je suis heureux, je suis jolie, je suis belle, like that. Change the given masculine adjective into feminine adjective. To convert the masculine adjective into feminine adjective, all you need to add an e to the last. For example, grand means big. To make it feminine, all you need to add an e. I request you to go through the video again and again for the better understanding of the holiday homework and revision sheet. Have a good holiday. Stay home. Stay safe.